This is Karen from Karen's English Classroom. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and press like. Thank you so much. Today, class, we're going to learn about things in the classroom. Okay, so these are all things that you might see or use in your classroom. So we're going to go over some vocabulary today. So that's the words for each one of these things or items. And we're going to discuss them and talk about them, and then we'll do the pronunciation. Okay, so class, the first one that we see here is pen. Okay, so pen. Now, pen can be a black pen. It can be a blue pen. It can be a red pen. Okay, so there's different colors, and we use the pen to write. Okay, so very necessary in the classroom. Okay, the second one is a book. Book. Okay, so B-O-O-K. Book. And usually the teacher has you get a book or provides a book for you so you can study in the classroom. And you can study at home. Okay, the third one here is a pencil. Pencil. Okay, so pencil. Okay, so it's used to write. You're going to write notes, work in your workbook, okay, with a pencil. Okay, number 4 here is notebook. Notebook. Okay, so it's a notebook. When you listen to the teacher, you can write in the notebook. Notebook. Okay, the next one here is bookcase. Bookcase. All right, so you put all your books in the bookcase. Maybe you have one at home. Maybe there's one in the classroom. Maybe your children have one. Okay, so bookcase. Bookcase. Okay, the next one is globe. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. And this is the world. Okay, the world. So world. Okay, all the countries, all the continents, all the oceans, all the states. Okay, they're all on the world, the globe. Globe. Okay, the next one is a map. Map. Now you can have different kinds of maps. You can have maps of the United States, okay, maps of cities, maps of streets. We have Google Maps. Okay, this one happens to be the world also. Okay, it says world here, just like the globe, but this one is a big circle. It's round and it can move. This one is just flat. All right, so you could just look at it all together. Okay, so that's a map. Map. Okay, the next one is, there's different names, okay? Some people say chalkboard. Okay, some people say board. Okay, and in the past, there used to be a black one, so we would say blackboard. Okay, so chalkboard, okay, board, or blackboard. This one is not black. This one is green, so green board, but we just say board. Now, the one I'm working on right here is white. So white board. Okay, so that's this one here, class, okay? This white is whiteboard. And this is the one we use the markers. The markers. This one you use chalk. Okay, the chalk. Okay, the next one here, class, is wall. Wall. Okay, so wall. And you need 4 walls in the classroom. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 walls. Okay, the wall. Okay, so on the wall is this for telling time, and the name is clock. Okay, if it's on your wrist, this is called watch. Watch. But this one, clock. Clock. If it's jewelry on your wrist, watch. Okay, so that one's a watch. Okay. All right, so the watch. But this one, clock in the classroom. Okay. All right, let's look over here. This one here for notices. Okay. Students' work. This is called bulletin board. Bulletin board. Okay, so bulletin board. Okay, it's usually big. You can put the students' work on it. You could put activities, upcoming things that are happening in the classroom. Okay, so bulletin board. Bulletin board. And yes, the word board is the same as this one. Board. Board. Okay. All right, this one here, the next item is computer. Computer. Okay, so computer. Computer. Okay. This one here, now sometimes we use these as desk, but the name would be table. Table. Oops. Table. Okay, so table here, table. This one would be a desk. Desk is more individual. Table, you can put many students around the table. Okay, so table. Okay, table in the classroom. Okay, this one where you sit down, you come in, you sit down at maybe the table or your desk. Okay, and the name of this is chair. Okay, so you sit down at the chair. Okay, sit down at the chair, sit on the chair. Okay, so this one we talked about is desk. Okay, so desk is more individual. Teacher's desk, student's desk, desk. Now this one, you want to measure, you want to see how long something is, how big something is. Okay, so it's ruler. Okay, so ruler, this one up here. So ruler. Ruler. Okay, so right here, ruler. And then this one, if I want to look up some words, I don't know the meaning, then I can look in the dictionary. 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 All right, very good, class. Okay, so let's practice our vocabulary words. Let's practice the things in the classroom. Okay, let's go over these together. So the first one is pen. Pen. Book. Book. Pencil. Pencil. Notebook. Notebook. Bookcase. Bookcase. Globe. Globe. Long O. Globe. Globe. Map. Map. Chalkboard. Chalkboard. wall. Long A, wall. Wall. Clock. 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 Bulletin board. Bulletin board. Bulletin board. Computer. Computer. Table. 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 Chair. 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 Ruler. 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 Desk. 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 And the last one, class, is dictionary. 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 All right, class. Very good. Excellent. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Some new words possibly, some new vocabulary words. So these are things in your classroom, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you have a wonderful day, class. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye. Have a good day.